Welcome back to Souls Explained. Tonight we go somewhere film crews rarely get permission to go. Inside your chest. Because inside your chest there is a living room. And in that living room live 4 roommates who share one television, one couch, and one remote control. You have met them. This morning, probably, your phone rang. Unscheduled, unknown number. And somewhere behind your ribs, a coffee mug hit the floor, someone screamed, and a lamp got knocked over in the stampede. That was them. Your nervous system is not a machine, dear viewer. It is a shared apartment, and the remote control decides everything. Your heartbeat, your breathing, whether your face does that thing in meetings. Whoever holds a remote holds you. Most documentaries about the nervous system are filmed in laboratories and use words like amygdala. Not this one. We brought snacks and a camera, and the roommates have agreed to be interviewed, as long as we do not make any sudden movements. So keep your voice down. We're going in. There they are, all 4 of them, on the couch, staring at the remote. Meet roommate number 1. Fight. Height, tiny. Temper, biblical. Fight is the one drafting a strongly worded email at 9 in the morning. Fight slams cabinet doors on your behalf. Fight reads a text and says, "Oh, so that is how we're doing this." Roommate number 2, Flight. Flight already has shoes on. Flight cancels plans the moment they are made, because making them felt nice and keeping them feels like a trap. Flight currently has 14 escape tabs open. Flights, apartments, and a course on beekeeping. Roommate number 3, Freeze. Freeze has been staring at one important email for 45 minutes. Master of the couch statue. When your whole life buffers, that is freeze spinning like bad Wi-Fi. And then there is the 4th roommate, the one nobody talks about. FAWN. FAWN agrees with everyone. FAWN apologizes to furniture. FAWN once said sorry to a door for walking into it. FAWN keeps the peace by quietly disappearing. And if you ask FAWN what they actually want, they smile and say, whatever works for you. For roommates, 1 remote. What could possibly go wrong? Let's observe one ordinary Tuesday. 9:02 in the morning. The boss leans over and says the 3 most dangerous words in the modern world. Can we talk? And inside the living room, the sirens start. All 4 roommates dive for the remote at once. Papers flying. Fight wants to reply, "Sure, if you think you can handle it." Flight is Googling whether a person can legally live in the woods. FAWN has already typed, of course, "No worries," exclamation point, smiley face. And Freeze? Freeze solved the whole crisis by unplugging the television entirely. Nobody is doing anything now. Victory. Later that day, a mildly awkward text arrives from friend. The roommates call an emergency meeting. There's a whiteboard. The options are attack, move abroad, become furniture, agree with everything. These are the only 4 options this house has ever known. Notice what is not on the whiteboard. Just answer the text like a relaxed person. That option does not exist in this house. And you watched this meeting happen from the outside, wondering why your own body would not just calm down. You even asked, "What is wrong with me?" Hold that thought. The answer is beautiful. Here is what nobody told you about your roommates. They're not flaws. They're bodyguards. Ancient ones. Look at this footage from long, long ago. There you are, small. And there they are, 4 tiny knights standing around you. Each one of them saved your life once. Fight stood up when something needed to stop. Flight got you out of a room you could not fix. Freeze made you small and quiet and invisible, when small and quiet and invisible was the safest thing to be. And FAWN, sweet FAWN, learned to read a room in half a second and keep everyone happy, because keeping everyone happy kept you safe. They did their jobs perfectly. There is only one problem. Nobody ever sent them a memo that the war ended, so they still guard the door. A nervous system stuck on alert is not broken. It is loyal. It is a soldier still saluting a war that is over. And here is why you cannot think your way out of this. The roommates do not speak language. You can explain all day long that the email is fine. They do not hear words. They speak body. which changes everything about how we talk to them. And now, the plot twist of the whole series. This alarm system you have been cursing is not a defect. It is exquisitely sensitive protection. The same wiring that overreacts to an email is the wiring that reads a room instantly, feels danger before it has a name, and moves fast when it actually matters. Regulated, your smoke alarm becomes intuition. Presence. Clear, fast action exactly when it counts. But first, hear this. The roommates were never trying to ruin your life. Every slammed door was fight whispering, "I am keeping you safe," like I did back then. Every canceled plan was flight whispering it. Every frozen hour, every yes you did not mean, all of it the same small voice. "I am keeping you safe," like I did back then. They have been on duty since you were little, and no one ever thanked them. So try it. Hand on your chest. Thank you for protecting me. You can rest now, and watch what happens in the living room. For small heads turn, and for the first time in years, the remote war goes quiet. One more thing, gently. If there is heavy history in your house, doing this work with real support is not weakness. It is strength. Which brings in our favorite housemate whisperer. He has dreadlocks, a warm smile, and he has negotiated with these roommates before. He knocks. He brings tea. And he teaches you the 4 house rules. Body first, because remember, the roommates do not read. Rule 1, the long exhale. Breathe in, then breathe out longer than you breathe in. 6 slow counts out. The exhale is the only remote that works on all 4 roommates at once. Rule 2, orienting. Look around the room, slowly, and name 5 things you see. Lamp, door, plant, mug, sock that has been there for a week. This is the ancient all-clear signal. A body that scans the room calmly tells the guards, "No danger here." Rule 3, shake it off. Animals do this after every scare. They shake hard and the stress cycle finishes. So shake your arms. Wiggle. Bounce. Look ridiculous. Finish the cycle. Rule 4, name the roommate out loud. Flight has the remote. That one sentence moves you from alarm to awareness. You cannot be fully hijacked and narrating at the same time. For tools, no subscription. Your body already owns all of them. Last shot of the evening. The living room at night. The television off. Fight asleep on flight's shoulder. Flight for once with shoes off. Freeze, soft and warm. Fawn, dreaming, and not apologizing to anyone. A pile of old bodyguards finally off duty. So if you take one thing from tonight, take this. You were never too much. You were well guarded. And a guarded house is not a broken house. It is a loved one. Teach the guards, gently and often, that the war is over and the whole house gets peaceful. Not perfect, peaceful. There is a difference, and the difference is enough. If you want help teaching your guards, that is exactly the work we do at Shinzo Holistic Coaching. The link is below, from head to heart. And before you go, you know that person who made plans with you yesterday and canceled them today? That is not rudeness. That is flight holding the remote. Send them this episode. Their roommates will understand. Thank you for watching, Souls Explained. Be kind to the little ones behind your ribs. They have been up all night, keeping watch for you.
Hey, this is Chenzo. If this touches something in you, like this video and subscribe and share it with somebody who needs it. And if you want real help on your path, come to ChenzoHolisticCoaching.com. The link is below. With love.